In this lesson, we will see together le passé surcomposé, but more precisely when it is used to express the immediate anteriority to the passé composé. So the main thing about le passé composé, it's really rare. But still it's possible to see. If you don't know how to construct it, I definitely advise you to have a look at my video. I explain quite precisely how to construct it. But then, it's a rare tense. You won't really use it, but you will probably encounter it, so it's quite important to know it. But then, keep in mind that it's possible to use it to express the immediate anteriority to the passé composé. So let's have few examples, but of course the concept is that le passé composé will happen before because it's anterior, and after that the event will be introduced in the passé composé. So first the passé composé, surcomposé, and after that the event that will follow will be in the passé composé tense. Dès qu'elle a eu annoncé ses projets, son mari n'a pas su quoi dire. Dès qu'elle a eu annoncé ses projets, son mari n'a pas su quoi dire. So in that situation here, I wanted to mark, quite clearly the passé surcomposé. So this is the passé surcomposé here, and the verb is annoncer. Annoncer in the passé surcomposé is elle a eu annoncé. And the event that follows, it's right here, it's savoir. Il a su. So this is the passé composé here. And then it's the negative form. Son mari n'a pas su. So the first event is in the passé surcomposé. Elle a eu annoncé ses projets. This is what first happened. Then what follows is in the passé composé. N'a pas su. So I hope it's clear. We'll have a second one. Après qu'il a eu fait son travail, il est rentré chez lui. Après qu'il a eu fait son travail, il est rentré chez lui. So in that situation, it's exactly the same concept. Here, it's the verb faire in the passé surcomposé. Il a eu fait. This is the first event. Then what follows is in the passé composé form, passé composé of the verb rentrer. It's conjugated with the auxiliary être. Il est rentré. So first, passé surcomposé, il a eu fait son travail. Second, passé composé, il est rentré. Dès qu'elle a eu annoncé ses projets, son mari n'a pas su quoi dire. Après qu'il a eu fait son travail, il est rentré chez lui. Let's have two more to make sure that everything is okay. Juste après qu'elle a eu pris son déjeuner, elle est partie en ville. So we've got the same configuration here. First event, prendre, passé surcomposé, elle a eu pris. Then the event that will follow, it's the verb partir, passé composé, elle est partie. So first event, elle a eu pris. Second event, elle est partie. Après que nous avons eu fini l'école, nous sommes allés jouer. Après que nous avons eu fini l'école, nous sommes allés jouer. First event, verbe finir, passé surcomposé, nous avons eu fini. Second event, the verb aller in the passé composé form, nous sommes allés. Juste après qu'elle a eu pris son déjeuner, elle est partie en ville. après que nous avons eu fini l'école, nous sommes allés jouer. So remember that it is possible to use this passé surcomposé to express the immediate anteriority to the passé composé form, but let's agree on that. It's extremely rare and probably you will never use it.